Lesson 3: Confronting Limiting Beliefs. Welcome back, everyone! In the last lesson, we uncovered the core beliefs that lie beneath our thoughts. Today, we'll confront the limiting beliefs that might be holding you back. These are the beliefs that create barriers in your life, and while they can feel powerful, they are not set in stone. By questioning and challenging these beliefs, you can begin the process of transforming them into empowering ones. Part 1: Acknowledging Limiting Beliefs. Limiting beliefs are those internal messages that make us feel small, incapable, or unworthy. They are often based on past experiences or fears and can shape our thoughts and actions in ways we aren't always aware of. The first step to changing these beliefs is acknowledging them. Take a look at the core belief you identified last week. Does this belief empower you, or does it limit you? Write down how this belief has influenced your decisions or held you back in some way. By acknowledging these beliefs, you bring them out of the shadows and into the light. Remember, acknowledging limiting beliefs doesn't mean you're stuck with them, it's the first step toward changing them. Part 2: Questioning the validity of limiting beliefs. Limiting beliefs often feel like truths, but they are usually based on assumptions, past experiences, or fears that no longer apply to our present lives. When you start questioning the validity of these beliefs, you begin to see them for what they really are: thoughts that you have the power to change. Ask yourself these questions: is this belief really true? What evidence do I have that supports or disproves this belief? Write down any insights you have. Often, you'll find that these beliefs are based on outdated information or fear rather than actual facts. As you question your limiting belief, notice whether it still applies to your current situation. Many of these beliefs were formed in the past and might no longer be relevant to who you are today. Part 3: Creating distance from limiting beliefs. Limiting beliefs can feel overwhelming because they are so deeply ingrained. But it's important to remember that beliefs are just thoughts, they don't define you, and you have the power to change them. One technique for loosening the grip of these beliefs is creating distance between yourself and the belief. Close your eyes and imagine your limiting belief as a separate entity, a cloud, a box, or even a person. Visualize it outside of yourself. See it drifting away from you, reminding yourself, this belief is just a thought, and I can choose to let it go. By creating this mental distance, you allow yourself to observe the belief objectively, rather than being controlled by it. Practice this exercise whenever you feel a limiting belief taking hold. Part 4: Challenging the power of limiting beliefs. Now that you've questioned the validity of your belief and created some distance from it, it's time to actively challenge its power. Ask yourself, what would my life look like if I no longer believed this? What could I achieve if I let this belief go? Write down how your thoughts, actions, or relationships might change if you no longer allowed this belief to guide you. Imagine an alternative reality where this belief no longer holds power over you. Challenging your beliefs in this way opens the door to new possibilities. You begin to see that your beliefs don't have to define your reality, they can be reshaped to serve your growth. Conclusion: Confronting limiting beliefs. Today, we confronted the limiting beliefs that may have been holding you back. By acknowledging these beliefs, questioning their validity, and creating distance from them, you've started the process of freeing yourself from their power. This is a courageous step toward transformation. Over the next week, continue reflecting on your limiting beliefs. Whenever you notice one arising, practice the visualization exercise to create distance from it and challenge its power by asking, what if this belief isn't true? And now let's set our affirmation for the week. I acknowledge my limiting beliefs, but they do not define me. I have the power to challenge and change them. In our next lesson, we'll explore how to take the limiting beliefs you've uncovered and reframe them into empowering ones. You've already taken the first step by confronting these beliefs. Next, we'll transform them into powerful tools for your personal growth. I'm excited to continue this journey with you.